We're heading to the kingdom room. Here we go.
Whoa. This is awesome.
Look at this. Fun
Another
stuff. Look at the floor. The trundle bed. Look at these cute beds here. Look at that. And their own lights. Oh my gosh, they spoiled us. Oh, you guys, they gave you guys Lego kits?
And their shirts. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow, what do you guys say to Lego people?
Thank you.
Look at our cute treasure box down here.
It's a frog.
We're gonna have to go on the treasure hunt for sure. Look how cute his big red mouth is.
Put stuff in there.
Okay, let's go this way. So here's some more Legos to play with. Here's the bathroom to the right. Check out the bathroom. Whoa, look how cute the crown is. A spider. Let's look at the shower curtain. Ooh, cute. What do you think, Alyssa?
It's super awesome.
Okay, let's go back this way now. What? Oh my gosh. Oh, Pop-Tarts. You guys are spoiled. Look how cute.
Look how good
You guys are going to have so much fun. Okay, here's the master bed.
Whoa.
Cool decorations. Look at that flag on the wall, you guys.
Whoa.
Looks really awesome.
This is amazing.
Are you happy? Comfy chair. Nice curtains.
And there's a
Look at the headboard, guys. That is so cool.
Whoa.
Lots of nice details here. The floor, everything is just so cool. We just solved the treasure hunt code, and we're going to see what's inside this box. Whoa. Oh, wow.
Look at this.
You guys got necklaces and magazines? Oh, cool. That's pretty lucky.
Underneath it has a magazine.
It's a big poster.
Look.
This is cool, guys.
Yeah. Cool. This is so cool. Hope you enjoyed the Kingdom Room tour. Thanks for watching.